Why are there not more people talking about the incredible journey of the Tata Group? Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. If you enjoy our content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Few entities have shaped the landscape of Indian industry and society as profoundly as the Tata Group. Founded in the late 19th century, the Tata Group stands today as a testament to the power of visionary leadership, unwavering ethical standards, and a deep commitment to national development. From its humble beginnings in textile manufacturing, the group has grown into a global conglomerate with interests spanning a vast array of sectors, including steel, automobiles, information technology, and consumer goods. Yet, the Tata Group's story is not simply one of economic success, it is an epic narrative woven into the very fabric of modern India. The group's journey has mirrored the nation's own, navigating the complexities of colonialism, the challenges of independence, and the opportunities presented by globalization. Through it all, the Tata Group has remained steadfast in its dedication to social responsibility, pioneering initiatives in education, healthcare, and poverty alleviation. This enduring legacy is a testament to the vision of its founder, Jamsetji Nusserwanji Tata, a man widely regarded as the father of Indian industry. His unwavering belief in the potential of his homeland, coupled with his commitment to ethical business practices, laid the foundation for what would become one of the world's most respected business groups. The Tata story is, therefore, not just a chronicle of corporate growth, but a compelling narrative of nation-building, social transformation, and ethical leadership. It is a story that continues to inspire generations of entrepreneurs, business leaders, and policymakers alike. It is a story that underscores the profound impact that a single entity can have on the destiny of a nation. Born in 1839 into a family of Parsi priests, Jamsetji Tata's life and work were shaped by a deep-seated belief in the transformative power of industry. He envisioned an India that could stand tall on the global stage, powered by its own industrial might and driven by the spirit of innovation. His early ventures, often undertaken during a time when India was firmly under British colonial rule, reflected this audacious vision. Jamsetji's entrepreneurial journey commenced in the bustling cotton mills of Bombay. Recognizing the potential of this burgeoning industry, he established his first textile mill in 1869, laying the foundation for what would become one of India's earliest industrial successes. His vision, however, extended far beyond textiles. He understood that true industrial progress required venturing into uncharted territories. This belief led him to explore opportunities in the nascent steel industry. At a time when India was heavily reliant on imported steel, Jamsetji dared to dream of a self-sufficient nation, capable of producing its own high-quality steel. He traveled extensively to Europe and the United States, studying the latest technologies and forging connections with leading industrialists. His pioneering spirit also extended to the realm of hospitality. Recognizing the need for a world-class hotel in India, he established the Taj Mahal Hotel in Bombay, which opened its doors in 1903. This architectural marvel, overlooking the Arabian Sea, quickly became an iconic landmark, symbolizing India's emerging modernity and its capacity for excellence. These early endeavors, each groundbreaking in its own right, were not merely business ventures for Jamsetji Tata. They were expressions of his unwavering faith in India's potential. They were tangible manifestations of his ambition to propel his nation onto the world stage, driven by the transformative power of industry. His early successes laid the groundwork for the future growth of the Tata Group, inspiring generations to come. Jamsetji Tata's pioneering ventures in textiles, steel, and hospitality laid the foundation for the Tata Group's emergence as a key driver of India's industrial growth in the early 20th century. These sectors, chosen with strategic foresight, would become pillars of the Indian economy, and the Tata Group played a pivotal role in their development. The textile industry, already a significant contributor to India's economy, witnessed remarkable growth under the Tata banner. Jamsetji's innovative approach to textile manufacturing, which emphasized quality and efficiency, set new benchmarks for the industry. His mills became known not only for their superior products, but also for their progressive labor practices, a testament to his belief in the well-being of his workforce. The establishment of Tata Steel in 1907 marked a watershed moment in India's industrial history. Jamsetji's long-cherished dream of a self-reliant India, capable of producing its own steel, was finally realized. The steel plant at Jamshedpur, named in his honor, became a symbol of national pride, signifying India's growing industrial prowess. The Taj Mahal Hotel, inaugurated in 1903, established new standards for luxury and hospitality in India. It quickly gained international renown, attracting discerning travelers from around the globe. The hotel's opulent architecture, impeccable service, and prime location on the Bombay waterfront became synonymous with Indian hospitality, placing India firmly on the global tourism map. These three sectors, carefully nurtured and strategically expanded by Jamsetji Tata and his successors, formed the bedrock of the Tata Group's early success. They not only contributed significantly to India's economic growth, but also helped shape the nation's industrial landscape, setting the stage for further diversification and expansion in the decades to come. Following Jamsetji Tata's death in 1904, leadership passed to his sons, Dorabji and Ratanji Tata. The brothers, imbued with their father's vision, navigated the early 20th century, steering the Tata Group through significant expansion. Dorabji played a pivotal role in realizing his father's dream of establishing a world-class steel industry in India. He oversaw the construction and expansion of the Tata steel plant at Jamshedpur, transforming it into a leading steel mill. Ratanji, known for his philanthropic spirit, shared his father's commitment to social welfare. He played a key role in establishing the Sir Dorabji Tata Trust in 1932, in memory of his brother. This trust became a cornerstone of the Tata Group's philanthropic endeavors, focusing on education and healthcare. Under their leadership, the Tata Group diversified into sectors like power generation, chemicals, and consumer goods. These expansions were driven by strategic foresight and a commitment to meeting the needs of a developing nation. The Tata Group's growth faced challenges, including the global economic depression and World War II. However, the strong foundation laid by Jamsetji and the leadership of his sons enabled the group to weather these storms. This period solidified the Tata Group's position as a leading force in Indian industry, true to its core values of integrity and social responsibility. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more inspiring content.